Good morning, students. Today I will discuss about sets assignment number 2. So now first question, define disjoint sets. Let A and B are two sets are said to be disjoint sets if A intersection B equal to null set. So what is the meaning of null set? If there is no common elements of that is called null set. For example, A is equal to 1, 2, 3 and B is equal to ABC. A intersection B equal to 1, 2, 3 intersection ABC. So in the no common elements of both sets A and B, it's getting in the null set. So it's denoted by pi. So next second question, if A is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and B is equal to 3, 6, 9, 10, 9, 12, 15 and find A minus B. So what is the meaning of A minus B? Given A is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, B is equal to 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Find A minus B. What is the meaning of A minus B? An elements of A does not contains of B. It is called A minus B. So now A minus B answer is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 minus here symmetry 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. The elements of A does not contains of B. So now in the common elements 6, 6. So remaining only for getting of A, it's not getting of elements set B. So answer is 2, 4 and 8, 10. So this is the second answer. Third one. So third sum, draw the Venn diagrams A intersection B, A union B and A minus B. Venn diagram was introduced by John Venn. Who is introduced by Venn diagrams means John Venn. So now the draw of A intersection B, A union B and A minus B of Venn diagram. First one, it's a universal set and A and B two sets A and B. So union, intersection and symmetry. First one A union B. So the total elements of set A and set B is called A union B. So total elements integration of A and set B. The second one A intersection B. Again universal set. So set A and set B. Intersection, the common elements of both set A and B. Both set A and set B means here common elements in this shaded region. So next one A minus B. Universal set. So now A and B two sets. A minus B means the elements of A does not contains of B means only for separate portion of A, it's not getting of B. So this is A minus B. Draw the Venn diagrams of A intersection B, A union B, A minus B. So this is Venn diagrams. Next one. Fourth one, A is equal to 0, 2, 4, find A intersection pi and A intersection A. Comment. The question A is equal to 0 to 4. Find A intersection pi and A intersection A. Comment. So answer given A is equal to 0 to 4. Here null set is there is no common element, so there is no elements of any set. Pi is equal to here first one A intersection pi is equal to A0 to 4 intersection null set. What is the meaning of intersection? Common elements of set A and set B. Here in this both sets, no common elements. So now answer is by. So it is denoted by null set. Therefore, A intersection null set equal to answer is null set. Its comment means here. So now second one, A intersection A intersection A equal to A0 to 4. Intersection 0 to 4. In the both sets, observe in the common elements of in this both are sets 0 to 4. So now it's 0 to 4 means answer will be A. So what is the comment? A intersection A is equal to A. So this is the answer. Next one. Essay question with one and then 4 marks question from examination point of view. If A is equal to x such that x is natural numbers, a natural number, and B is equal to x such that x is on even natural numbers, C is equal to x such that x is on natural numbers, on natural number, and D is equal to x such that x is prime number. So find A intersection B, A intersection C, B intersection C, A intersection D. So question A is equal to x such that x is natural numbers, B is equal to x such that x is even natural numbers, C equal to x such that x is all natural numbers, D is equal to x such that x is prime numbers. Find A intersection B, A intersection C, B intersection C, A intersection D. So now first one answer A is equal to given x is natural number. So natural number 1, 2, 3, 4 up to so on. B is equal to even natural numbers 2, 4, 6, 8. Here even natural numbers. C all natural numbers 1, 3, 5, 7. All natural numbers. D prime numbers. Prime number means a number is divisible 1 and itself. That number is prime number. First prime number is 2 and 3, 5, 7. So now You will find the first one A intersection B. A intersection B, A value 1, 2, 3, 4 intersection and 2, 4, 6, 8 and the common elements of intersection, common elements of A and B. What is the common elements here? 2 is the common, 4 is common, 6 is common, up to so on. So getting even numbers, it's denoted by B. So second one answer, A intersection C, A value 1, 2, 3, 4 intersection, C value answer is 1, 3, 5 up to so on. So A intersection C, the common elements of in both set A and C. So 1 is the common, 3 is common, 5 is common. So up to so on. So answer is, it's all numbers, it will be denoted by C. So next one, third one, B intersection C. So B value 2, 4, 6, 8 up to so on. Intersection C value 1, 3, 5, 7. In the both sets, you will observe the no common elements of in set B and C. It's denoted by null set. Here pi. Next one, B A intersection D. A value 1, 2, 3, 4 up to so on. Intersection. So 2, 3, 5, 7 up to so on. D value. So here observe A intersection D, the common elements of set A and set D. So only for 2 is the common elements and 3 is common. Next one, 2 and 3, 5, 7 up to so on. It's denoted by D. So this is the answer. So now end this assignment.